Welcome to the Plastic Product Design and Advanced CATIA. Previously, we had discussed about an introduction to the CATIA tool, in which we completed the Sketcher tool and different commands in the Sketcher. As we completed the Sketcher toolbars and different commands in the Sketcher, let's take a tutorial number 1 for this Sketcher. So let's open the CATIA. Select the Sketcher and open the Sketcher environment. So as we know that we discuss about the profile tools, so we are using the profile tools, then operation tools, transformation tool to draw this image. So first of all, we have to draw these two circles here, 2.8 diameter and 5.6 diameter. Let's select the circle, draw the first circle. Symmetric, another circle, concentric, another circle. So we will give the dimensions. First of all 2.8 mm, second one is a 5.6. So in the image you can see this is the these two circles are 6 mm away from the center line. So here the 6 mm. So now in image you can see those two circles are exactly symmetric. So we can use the mirror command here. So select the axis and it's a mirror. So now we have to draw this arc which is tangent to the both two circles. So draw the first of all circle of a 24 mm diameter, as the radius is a 12, and we will give the 24 here, and then we will make a tangent for the circles. So as we use the mirror command, so already it get tangented, so we will delete this. So now you can see the total is a green, it is a constraint. So we draw this now the center rectangle. So just select the center rectangle from the rectangle command, profile, center rectangle here. Just draw with respect to the center line, and the dimensions we will see. So this is the 3.5 mm and this is the 3 mm. So this will be the 3 mm, and this center, from center to line, 3.5 mm. So 3.5 mm. Okay, now remaining portion. So this rectangle we have to draw. So it is 3.5 mm away from the center, and exactly it is mirror, and 8 mm from top center line. So let's take the same process. Center rectangle, we will draw the somewhat bigger to control easily. So first we will delete upper line because it is not useful here. So from the center it will be the 3.5 mm. And from upper horizontal line it is 8 mm, and this will be the distance 2 mm. So here we completed, but now the chamfers are remaining. So 2 mm by 2 by 2 mm chamfer. Let's take a chamfer command here, corner command, and we'll give the corner here of a 2 mm. So we will use this command, and the remaining portion we will erase it. So this we need to complete this circle, so we will use from trim here, circle complete. Okay, So now remaining chamfers, or we will see the corners. So radius of a 1 mm at the both side, and inside also it will be the 4 radius of a 1. So we will complete the corners 1 mm. So here our design is get completed. So tangency. Okay, so now the design is ready as per our 2D drawing. So let's compare with 2D. Let's take a snap here to comparison. And we will put this into the PPT. So here you can see we converted the tutorial into the CATIA. So this is the first tutorial for this sketcher. So guys, watch the video, make a practice for the commands whatever we used for completing the tutorial, and try at your end also. Thank you guys for watching the video. Be connecting with us. We will definitely share more and more technical knowledge about plastic product design and CATIA commands. So if you are not subscribed, get subscribed first, hit the bell icon and share the video. Thank you.